Give me a head nod whenever you're ready.
Yeah.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Back up, back up. That's it.
See clear? I see it. Okay. Ah, shoot, double A's. Yep. See clear?
Holster it.
Holster. Range is safe. 75-41.
75-41. Got it. You hit a no shoot on the white one there.
Did I? Son of a bitch.
0. 1. I will give that to you. 0.
No. That's a 1.
No, as long as it hits the line, that's a 0. It's on the line.
All right.
This is a 1. That's a 0. That's a 1. I got a 1, 1, 0, 1. And the last target is a 0.
Okay.
And you had one non-threat on the shoulder blade right here.
Yep.
No shoot 1.
Only a flesh wound.
Hey, I saw
hostage
I
lived.
saw the blood squirt on the innocent.
Hostage lived.
So he got a. We got white tape or no?
Hey, who was it that said shoot the hostage?
Speed.
Okay,
Keanu Reeves.
Yeah.
Grab your stuff.
need to clear your weapons. Get them out.
Shannon Lee. Lee, walk back here, Joel.
All right.
Hey, he's a taper. Taper.
Sorry about getting in the way there. You told me about it.
Yeah, no, that's okay.
I didn't trip you or anything.
One more shooter. Shannon is our last one.